Students, today we are going to discussing the chapter force and pressure. So first of all, we need to know about force. What is force? Yes, a push or pull, that's known as what force. So in science, a push or pull on an object is called a what? Force. Actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, flicking, pushing, pulling usually results in some kind of change in the state of motion of an object. Thus, we can say that the motion imparted to object was due to the action of force. Okay, so force are due to an interaction. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force between the object. See, we are pulling the car, that is, the man and the car. In between, there is what? Yes, force. So, how there is the interaction of force? Yes, when the man that pushed the car, okay, when he's push the car, it will becomes what? Yes, interaction of force. So see, these are some interaction of force. Okay, these are some examples of what? Interaction of force. So whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force. Okay, when forces are applied on an object in the same direction, they add to one another. If the two forces act in the opposite direction on an object, the net force acting on it's the difference between the two forces. Okay, so the strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. So the strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. And in the direction or the magnitude of the applied force changes, its effect also changes. If the direction or the magnitude of the applied force changes, its effect also change. So if the two force acting on an opposite direction on an object, the net force becoming what? Yes, the difference between the two forces. Okay, so the strength of the force is usually expressed by its magnitude. Okay, and a force can change the state of motion. A force can change the state of motion. When you kick the football, it can change the state of motion. Okay, now it is in the rest. When we are applying the force on the football, it will change the state. Okay, clear? A force applied on an object may change its speed. And if the force applied is in the direction of its motion, the speed of the object increases. If the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then its result in a decrease in the speed of object. When force is applied to the body at rest, it can be put into motion, and also the body in motion goes in rest. Next, force can change the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. When force is applied on an object, it may change its shape. Okay, making tough and pulling the rubber band and jumping on the air balloon. These are the examples. In short, we can say that a force may make an object move from rest, and force may change the speed of an object if it is moving. Force may change the direction of motion of an object. Force may bring about a change in shape of an object. Force may cause some or all of these effects. It is important to remember that none of these action can take place without the action of a force. And you know the force is divided into two: contact force and non-contact force. Force, friction, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force. So now we are going to discussing tuning effects of force and pressure. Tuning effects of force or moment of force. When force is applied on a body at a rest, the body starts moving in the direction of force. Okay. So when we are applying the force on the body can start move. Okay. So here see this the tuning effect of a single force without a fixed point is called moment of force or torque. The tuning effect of force, single force, okay, effect of a single force about a fixed point or pivot is called the moment of force or torque. What is this pivot? The point on which something turns or balances. That is pivot. So that center point, see the seesaw, the center point, that is what? Pivot. Okay. So this pivot, when force is applied on a pivot body, then the body tends to move about the pivot point, that is the body rotates. If force is applied at same other point, then the body tends to move about the pivot point under the action of an external force. If a body is allowed to rotate about a pivot point, it will be tend to rotate in the direction of applied force. Okay. Yes. So the tuning effect of a single force about a fixed point or pivot is called what? Moment of force or torque. Okay, moment of force or torque. A moment is the tuning effects of a force around a fixed point, that is what? Pivot. Okay, clear? Okay. And next we are going to discussing the moment depends on two factors. What are the factors depends on moment? Yes, the first one, the force applied. First one is the force applied, and second, perpendicular distance from the fixed point to the line of the action of the force. So the first factor, on applying greater force, more moment is generated, thereby producing more rotation. When we are applying more force on the door, it will more moment is generated. Okay, and less force is needed to open a door by pushing at the side further the hinge. Why? Because the perpendicular distance from the fixed point to the line of action of the force, because there is line of force is more. Okay, so we need to give very little amount of, otherwise very less force is need to apply here. Okay, see there is one door knob also there, so when we are pushing that, it will open very easily line of force. Okay, so here we are applying very less force. Okay, very less force is need to open a door by pushing at the side further from the hinge than the side closest to the hinge. The push at the hinge side of the door requires more force to the extended due to the similar distance. Okay, clear? Yes. So the same, we have to apply a greater force to open a door through hinge. It will rotate more. Why? Because we are applying more force. Actually, no need to apply more force of here. Okay. Less force is give the more effort, more result. And next is, so the moment m that is equal to f into d. That means the moment have two factors. Okay, the first factor f, that is applied force. What? Applied force. And second d, perpendicular distance from the fixed point to the line of action of the force. Okay, so these are the two factors. Let us see some another examples. In hand folder cutting machine, the handle is fixed at the edge. The wheel as that there is maximum distance between the force and the tuning point. This generate maximum moment of force for the minimum effort applied by the person using cutting machine. And next is hand floor grinders or chucky are commonly used in villages for grinding floor. The upper circular stone of the grinder is pivoted with the wooden handle near its edge, so that the distance between the handle, okay, and the tuning point in the center, that is maximum. So this helps in reducing the effort required to tune the upper wheel. We can easily tune the upper wheel. Okay, and the next is, in steering wheel, the force is applied tangentially to the rim of the wheel. So here, this ensures the maximum distance between the point of application of force and the tuning point, and thus helps in turning the steering wheel with minimum amount of force. Okay, so see how it is work. When we are applying the minimum amount of force, it will start to tune. Okay, see how is it work. Okay, so now we are going to learn the new word couple. So what is this couple of action? Okay, the force in a couple always act in exactly opposite direction and are equally spaced from the center of the rotation. When a single force is used to turn the object about its axis, the moment of the force is also referred to as torque. We are already heard this word torque. What? Torque. Tuning effect, torque, moment. Okay. So a pair of equal sized tuning force acting in different directions, that is called what? A couple. Okay. A pair of equal sized tuning forces acting in different direction, that is called a couple. And the tuning moment caused by a couple, that is called torque. So what is a couple and torque? A pair of equal sized tuning forces acting in different direction is called what? Couple. And the tuning moment caused by a couple is called what? Torque. Is it clear? Yes. Actually, the force in a couple always act in exactly opposite direction. Okay. Yes. And next is unit of moment of force. What are the unit of moment of force? Yes, m equal to F into D. F is the Newton and D is the meter. Since next is unit of moment of force. In SI system, force is measured in Newton, that is N, and distance in meter, m. Therefore, the unit of moment of force is Newton meter. Okay, since the m is equal to F into. Now we are going to discussing about pressure. First of all, you want to know the word thrust. A force can be applied on a surface in any direction if the force is acting normally on a surface. Then such force is called what? Thrust. So when a body is placed on the surface, it exerts a thrust on the surface equal to its own weight. So what is pressure? This effect is called what? Given area, that is what? Pressure. So the thrust acting per unit area, that is called what? Pressure. So pressure equal to force upon area on which it's act. So the smaller the area, larger the pressure on a surface for the same force. Smaller the area, large pressure. Okay, we need to apply more pressure in a small area. So what is the unit of pressure? In SI system, force is measured in Newton and area in meter square. Therefore, the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. However, Newton per meter square is called Pascal in honor of French scientist Blaise Pascal. Okay, so 1 Pascal is the pressure exerted by a force of 1 Newton acting over an area of 1 meter square. See some examples. A camel can easily cross the desert. How? Yes, compared to the horse or donkey, it's because the camel exerts very small pressure on the ground as it have very broad feet. It is for the same reason that the elephant can walk in any kind of ground because its feet area is very large and hence pressure on the ground is very small. Okay. All cutting instruments such as knives, blades, axe, picks, etc. are sharpened from cutting edge. As the cutting edge is sharpened, the area of cross section decreases and hence the pressure exerted by them increases. Thus, they can easily penetrate a given surface. Okay, so these are some examples of word pressure. Okay, I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.